Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA ringkat bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ha ka arpo terik risau kila ay ya ka Kitbok ka kitrwiang ya ka kinhon ya lekai ka jela ki banlet ban airing sya ka lumpung ba ya lekai ka ri ka National Games ka balai punyo ka banlong hagowa na do risau arpusan hado kendai terik nai wing. Ya ka jingalang Kitbok la penlong ha State Convention Center ha ka balawan bansaki da umentri badikmi ya ka tenat Sports and Youth Affairs uba Shaklir Warjri unong ay but ya umentri rangba uba Hamletson Doling u Commissioner and Secretary ka tenat Sports Dr. Vijay Kumar ka Director ka tenat Sports ka Kong Isa Wanda Lalu kinong kitkam ka MSOA bakenthop ya Working President ba John F. Karshieng ba Farni L. Pariat General Secretary lembat kidukhat ng kitkam. Habakren kum ukongsan uba Shaklir upen pau ya kajingkemen baha kani kakenti ka Meghalaya kalayo bakan say kambun kirang nithai ya lekai habayan ujor bat ka National Games ke baladap banlong ha Gujarat bat kermen babaro ke balayo ya kakabu ban mikman kintre shitom na kabenta banla banwanra ya kanam kaburam ya kajela. Ha kani kakenti ki jat jingal lekai ki ba ka Meghalaya kalayo bakan iashimbynta ki kinthop ya ka athletics, aquatics, boxing, football, wushu, shooting, ski, but golf.
Represent our state in the national games this year. I would like to congratulate all the coaches as well for working day in, day out to make sure that these athletes are up to the mark so that they can represent our state in the national games as well. I would like to thank the MSOA and all the associations who have worked with the sports department. So the vision is that why are we starting with so many programs? Why are we going ahead with so many programs to encourage our youth and our athletes? The vision that we have as a government is that to provide whatever necessary to all these athletes so that in someday committed to provide the best for our youth and our athletes. So like I said, we have a vision that we want to see the youth of our state, the athletes, that they can be as Olympians, can bring medals for our state as well. We have encouraged our youth to take part in sports.
It's a very, very proud and privilege, a wonderful moment to be here. We were just discussing about, what Ba finally was explaining about the journey of sports in Meghalaya. Over the last 4 years, I think we have all been working very closely with the associations, with MSOA, to see that 2-3 things happen. One is that we create an ecosystem for sports development in the state. To see that, all the talented youngsters who are there, who have the raw talent, who have the capability, have the platform to excel, to show their competence, to show their capability, and to be the very best.